Let's look at what your audience will get to see on the day of the event. Attendees will log into the virtual event with their credentials and then enter an online space which we call the virtual lobby. The lobby is designed with a 3D outlook and gives an immersive feel to the visitor as if he or she is actually entering a conference. We have over 20 different lobby designs you can choose from. As audiences enter the virtual conference, you can also greet them with a welcome note or video. Here's one example of an event where we use an overlay video upon entry where a company rep is welcoming visitors, sharing some guidance and instructions, and generally building some excitement for attendees. In this example, the representative is creating some buzz and telling them about what to expect. Let's start with the virtual auditorium. This is where your conference agenda is hosted, and it lists all the speakers that are scheduled to present at your event. In any agenda, you will have the speaker name, their photo, a bio, and some information summarizing what the topic of their talk will be. Along with this, you can have handouts and other documents that you would like attendees to download before or after the conference. Here's one with a nice 3D image, and here's their agenda. All right, let's talk about the actual sessions or webinars that will be delivered. Before a session goes live, attendees will be able to see the countdown timer, and when it's time, they can join the webinar instantly. Speakers will be able to broadcast through a webcam or share their screen or walk through a presentation. We give customers 3 options to host sessions. Number 1, live sessions. Number 2, semi-live sessions. Number 3, on demand. Every organizer wants to ensure that there is high engagement with their webinars, so we provide them with the ability to trigger push notifications on site. Using this, you, as an organizer, can notify users about a keynote session that's about to begin or some breakout session that will involve networking, and in this way, you can encourage them to head over there so that they don't miss out. Let's look at the next section, which is called Exhibit Hall. This is essentially a collection of booths hosted by your exhibitors, vendors, partners, or sponsors, and a place where audiences can interact and engage with them. They can learn more about the particular exhibitor or sponsor. Users can take a look at their company profile, their documents, their videos, etc. Moreover, visitors can also save an item to something we call the virtual briefcase. At the end of the day, all these saved documents are emailed to the user so that they can view them later on as well. Next, as the live conference is happening, users will be able to see who else is online on a particular booth. Attendees can then click on chat to bring up the chat interface. Here, they can start a one-to-one chat with the exhibitor or go to the group chat room. In the group chat, audiences can post questions and exhibitors can submit answers in the chat room for everyone to see and benefit from. Then, attendees can use the private chat option. This allows the exhibitor and the visitor to get into a one-to-one text chat or audio-video conversation. And depending on what you've collected on the registration form and what the privacy policy of the conference is, both parties can see each other's profile data. For example, exhibitors might be able to see what kind of product or service the attendee is interested in. So to summarize, we offer group chat rooms and one-to-one private chat. In case of private chats, we give you the option to use text, audio, or video chat.